home is not ready to sell in 2023? Well, that might be because you're not ready for this new year. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the tips to get your home sold faster. Are you the seller standing in your own way? That's a big problem, and I'm hoping to help solve that today. So let's dive in right now in today's video. We're going to get started with the tips to help you. Make sure your home is ready, but make sure you are ready yourself. Number one, make sure your home is ready, like repairs, fresh paint, any carpet, light fixtures. Light fixtures are a big addition. Get some brighter light, new lights, LED, and do a deep cleaning. Number two, declutter, pack up, use extra storage. Get a storage unit, don't use the garage. Buyers like to see the garage. They want to know if a car fits. They want to measure. So make sure that you don't stack up and store all your stuff in your garage and it looks like a big cluttered mess. Make sure that you depersonalize when you're packing up. Keep that in mind. Number three, guys, stage the home with natural light and colors. Give it a pop of color so the buyers will love it. They're going to want to be excited to come in and see and check out this space. They want to be able to visualize with their property, their own personal property inside the home. Number four, hire a top-notch listing agent who will have professional photos done for their marketing campaign and get that home sold faster, because a lot of people like pictures, they like to see, and not all pictures are worth 1,000 words. Sometimes it can be deceiving, so make sure that you take professional photos and you present it in the best light as possible. Number five, the last thing before meeting with your real estate agent is understand how the market is and don't overprice your house. Get your home sold at the right price. Get it listed so it's attractive. You get tons of offers, tons of buyers walking through, so your home gets sold faster. So thanks for subscribing to my channel today. Make sure you check out one of my other videos right here, and you'll be notified when we post our next video. So subscribe to my channel and check out the next video. Thanks for tuning in.